In the previous tutorial, we determined how the graph behaves in each of the interval. This time, we're going to graph f of x using x-axis and y-axis so we see a better picture of f of x. So first, I want us to find f of 0, which is the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept is f of 0. So we'll have here 0 minus 3, 0 plus 2. Okay, let me erase that. Okay, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 5. And this gives me negative 3 times 2 times 5. So therefore, f of 0 is negative 30. This is the y-intercept. So now we got our x-intercepts and the y-intercept. We should have a nicer picture of the graph. So I'm going to draw here the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so scale, I'm gonna count by ones. Okay, so I'm gonna have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here, make sure equal spaces. Okay, so this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Now for the y-intercept, I have negative 30 here. So that means I don't want to count by ones. I have to count by tens, maybe. So I'm going to put 10, 20, 30, and we see that we have enough space here to show negative 30. So this is negative 10, negative 20, negative 30. All right, so now we're ready to graph. Okay, x-intercepts. I need to see the x-intercepts. X-intercepts are at negative 5, negative 2, and positive 3. The y-intercept is at negative 30. Okay, so we know that in the interval negative 5 to negative infinity, the graph is below the x-axis. So it's going to start here at the bottom, and then it's going to go up to touch x equals negative 5. And we know that it's going to keep going up, but it will eventually have to come down. Now, we did not calculate what is that highest point when the turning point. We did not calculate what the turning point is, and we cannot calculate for the turning point yet. We need calculus to do that, unless we want to find values of f of x at each of these numbers, at negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and see a nice picture. But we just want to sketch. So I just want to see that it's going up, it's going to come down, okay, to touch negative 2, and then we know that it's going to come down again, because between negative 2 and 3, the graph is in the negative territory. It's going to hit the y-intercept, and then then it has to go back up to touch the next x-intercept 3, and then it will just keep going up from there. Here it is. So here's our graph for f of x. Let's put f of x in here. Okay, now again, we need to feature the x-intercepts, the behavior of the graph in each of the intervals, and the y-intercept. We don't really know where the turning points are, so we'll just have a rough sketch of the graph.